How to install Khan Academy app. If you want to use the Khan Academy app on your mobile phone and you don't know how to install it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your app store just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the search button at the bottom, select it. Then here you can find search bar at the top. Tap on it. Now simply type Khan Academy just like this and search for it. Now here you can find the app just right here. Select it. Now to download it, simply tap onto the get button right here just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. You can also find the app on your mobile screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can install Khan Academy app on your mobile phone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.